I was like, girl, your dog, put him up. Like, where's his collar? I got my first round of HelloFresh today. I am so excited. Really didn't get an opportunity to pick the meals that that we got this week. Okay, it says number 1, unpack the kit bags. They can go straight into the recycling with the separator. Empty ice packs. Once they've melted, drain and dispose as directed on the ice pack. And then visit our site for the liners and then break the box down. Okay, whatever. I thought there was some information that we might have needed. So with being busy, working third shift, with my abhorrence to going into the grocery store, I wanted to give it a try to see if it was gonna be good for me and my family. So it says, welcome to America's #1 meal kit. Greek salad with pork patties. Oh gosh, oh, that's my chicken that I'm baking before I go to work. Black bean poblanos, flutas? What? Fluatas, I don't know. Black bean and poblano fluatas. They look good. And then we got pub style shepherd's pie. Looks like a lot of carbs, but you know, hey. And we have crispy Parmesan chicken. So tonight I'm not going to make anything because tonight is work night. So I'm gonna go ahead and load these. It doesn't say whether I load it in the freezer or the refrigerator. Hold on. I would think. So guys, because if it has like veggies in it, I don't want those in the freezer. So does that mean I'm gonna have to open the boxes? HelloFresh, you should have helped me out. Like, I don't understand the directions. Does it say? It does not say. So I'm gonna read through, figure out how to store these and get them put up because we're not cooking them today. More than likely we'll cook them this week. So after pulling everything out the box, I realized pretty quickly that the meats are down at the bottom of the box with freezer packs on top of them. So you're able to store those in your freezer if you want to, so you don't have to keep them in your refrigerator. It took me forever. Okay guys, so it is Sunday, February 6th, and you guys know what that means. It is our content day today. So I also like to get my workout in on Sundays. It's my first official day off. So I really like to take the time to, schmooze around town, do some things that I haven't done. So if I'm going to eat out, it's definitely going to be on my days off for sure. And why not start the eat out rotation with Waffle House, your favorite American restaurant? Guys, the breakfast is the bomb. And this is where it got interesting. Immediately, I felt a pop in my abs and shooting pain in my lower abdominals to the point where it made me nauseous and sweaty almost immediately. I didn't think I was going to be able to stand up, guys. I delivered my daughter naturally with no meds, and this really was comparable to that. So I was not ready for the pain that would ensue. So how did I get here? What I want to share with you now are 5 tips on how you can avoid getting injured during your workouts. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first tip that I have for you is to do a full body warm up. Usually for me, that's working out on the treadmill, but obviously that is not enough. You want to incorporate some jumping jacks and definitely some stretches to really get your body warmed up for what you're about to do to it. Number 2, start out easy. Don't overdo it. Focus on less weight and less reps in the beginning to establish a baseline, and then work your way up. You don't have to do everything all at once. Rome wasn't built in a day, and it's not going to be torn down in a day either. So start slowly. Number 3, listen to your body. Soreness 2 to 3 days after a workout is pretty common. Anything over that can be an indication that you've overexerted yourself. If that is the case, during that time, focus on low impact workouts like yoga or swimming until you feel rested up. Number 4, you want to make sure that you're getting proper sleep and proper rest as you're starting a new workout routine. Your body needs a chance to heal and rejuvenate, and it's during those hours that your body does it best. And then number 5, and probably the most important, is always consult your doctor or physical therapist before starting a new workout routine.
Use full track.
Even after abdominal injury, the show must go on. So today I went ahead and took my braids out of my hair so that I can wash and deep condition it and prepare it for a new style. Because I wasn't able to connect with my braider that usually does like my micros and all of my work when I really get my hair braided, I went ahead and just tried to do another style instead. So
Ta-da!
If you're interested to see what I chose, definitely stay tuned.
Look. Went and got my hair done and got all done with that. Feeling still painful in my abdominal area. I went by my sister's house, and y'all, her little dog is such a freaking little beast, y'all, and not in a good way. The little rascal is mean. Hey, baby. How are you? Bonjour.
How?
So the little dog is crazy, y'all. I rung the doorbell. He's going crazy, okay? Going crazy, all in the blinds near the door on the side. You know how you have the little blinds on the side of the door? And so my sister opens the door, and he like runs out, he runs around my shoes, and y'all, he bit me on the leg. What is up with that? So I told her, I was like, oh my gosh, he's kind of biting me. He's biting me. And he did it again once we got in the house. I still felt it like a little snip, just like around my ankle, because I had on boots that kind of cover your ankles, but he was still biting like at my, I don't know if he was biting at my boots. They're brown like him. I don't know if he thought they were dogs. I don't know, girl.
Were they Winchester?
Yes, Winchester is terrible. So
he's playful too.
He's bad. So y'all, the third time he bit me, I felt it. It was like, I think he broke the skin just a little bit. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe he didn't break the skin, but I felt it. And so with this abdominal thing that I have going on, and my reaction, my jerk reaction to him biting me, I re-injured all over again. Like, I jumped back, and you know, you use your abs and you don't even know you're using them. So I reared back, and oh my gosh, the pain in my belly. And it's all in like my lower abdominals. So I was like, girl, your dog, put him up. Like, where's his collar? But anyway.
Every time me and Corbin play football with him, he's always winning because he like bites you and makes you fall.
Yeah, because he's rude.
So here's the outfit for today. I didn't show you guys earlier because I was kind of rushing. But this outfit is from Shein, or the Shein website, however you want to say it. I've heard it different ways. But I like it. It's super comfortable. It's just some kind of stretchy pants here, high waist. And you have this shirt, but it just kind of comes up on the sides. So really comfortable. And then I wore my boots. And I think that's what the dog was like going for. I am like so sore, like right in this area. It's killing me. I was trying to work my abs, y'all. Just trying to work them. But anyway, so this is the outfit of the day. It's a little wrinkled, but it was just to kick around and just go get my hair done. So let's get in this kitchen and make some dinner. Okay, Willow and I are gonna tackle the first HelloFresh bag of the week. What we're cooking today is the pub style shepherd's pie. I have that here, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Here is our shepherd's pie, the final result. It doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, but it is going to be tasty. Definitely flavorful. I'm loving the mozzarella cheese that they have you add to the top of it. My salad and my Thousand Island definitely is a hit. And my Baco's bacon bits, y'all. Why do I love imitation bacon bits? I just love them. I don't know. They're good. So I'm gonna finish and get right back with y'all. So coming up on day 3 of my days off, it is Tuesday, February the 8th. And even with my injured abdominals, I need to do some things around the house. So I took some time to catch up with family and then also watch my favorite YouTubers.
You're alone, or you're not alone. We're here. For those that feel like you're surrounded by loved ones and you still feel isolated, I understand. I know what you're going through. I understand. Just every single day when you get up, you brush your teeth, you wash your face, you do your morning routine, that is an accomplishment. Good job, you did it. You got out of that bed, because I have had days, oh my God, where that was the best that I could do for that day.
Life will always have a way of serving us ups and downs. But what's important is how we deal with those ups and downs emotionally. Personally, I have struggled with, obstacles. I've struggled with days that I feel great. I've struggled with days that I'm not feeling so great. I struggle with anxiety, especially as a new nurse. Those days come and they go. But we have to ensure that if you need medicine, if you need more help, that you're reaching out, that you're utilizing the people around you to let them know that you need help and to let them know what you're feeling. Because even though you might feel alone, you're not alone. So congratulations, you made it this far in the video. The only request that I have for you, because we like to keep it positive around here, is to comment down below. Everything happens for a reason, and those reasons are making me stronger. Everything happens for a reason, and those reasons are making me stronger. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.